Hi, Danica here, and in this video we are gonna check out the JetForm Builder, and we're gonna use that to create a survey that I have demonstrated in the last video. So check out that video if you have missed that. I have shown how it exactly looks from that project and why did we use JetForm Builder. So again, we are using JetForm Builder because we need some custom flow from that project. We can't use the default LearnDash quiz. So they're using LearnDash, but based on what they need and functionality, etc., I recommended the JetForm Builder because it's just much easier to customize. Plus, they need to collect data and then create a dashboard with the results and so on. So again, JetForm Builder is just much easier to set this up because it works with JetEngine. And with JetEngine, you can create some custom post type and then you can create some custom listing based on that data that you have collected using the JetForm Builder. So I have created the steps that we're gonna use for this video, and we're gonna tackle this one by one. So yeah, let's get started and I'll see you in the next video.